Admins with owner permissions can customise reports for export. This allows for easy import into their own systems such as payroll or payment software. To customise reports, navigate to Settings, Profiles. Select the profile that you wish to customise the report for. Click on the Reports tab. Each profile has two reports that can be customised, one for salaries and the other for expenses. To customise the report, click to expand the contents. Once a report is open, you can add data to the report by clicking the Add Data button. The list includes job data and any customised profile data. You can drag and drop the data in the order you require it in the report. To customise the column title, just click on the Edit icon. To delete a row that isn't required in your report, click the Bin icon. Click Save to confirm your changes. You can choose how the row data appears when exported as either itemized or grouped. If itemized is chosen, then all the jobs that crew have completed will be listed on separate rows. If grouped is chosen, then all individual crew jobs will be combined and the total amounts will appear as a single row. Not all data fields are available when data is grouped. That's it. That's how to customise your reports.